Today we are going to show you how to fix the issue of thread running through from your needle. We are under auto mode of cutting thread. Sometimes the thread will be too short and run away from the needle and the tension is too much. And this will cause a malfunction alarm to the system. And mainly, most of the condition is caused by the wrong setup of the parameters. So how to fix this up? We will show you. Step 1. Click the Set button on the screen to enter the setup page. Step 2. Click the button of Trim After Length and set it to 5. Click OK. Step 3. Run a test and click the cutting button to see whether it's functional. After that, if everything goes to normal, which means the problem is fixed, and if not, you can contact us for further support. Okay, that is so much for today. If you are having fun and satisfied with our content, please subscribe and follow us. You can click the link down there to learn more about us. So thank you for watching. Wish you have a good day and welcome to join us.